Hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing? It's Nora the Stock Explorer. Gonna go on really quick, guys. Wanted to throw a few ideas out here. And of course, say my hellos to my friends who happen to be up. I was up early. Uh, Not sure what's going on. I got a lot of congestion and all kind of cold symptoms. So pardon me if I'm sniffing and stuff like that, guys. But I am doing okay. I want to just say that. Whatever it is, I'm going to fight it off because that's what we do. And we got to keep rolling, right, guys? We got to keep moving. How's everybody doing? We're taking a look at the Weeble Wobble here. I call it Weeble Wobble, but it's the Weeble app. If you'd like to use Weeble, definitely use my links. Check out my video I did called Beginner Stock Market. It's got the bright yellow starburst. All the links are in there, and there's some links up in my banner. If you want to join Capitalist Academy, guys, and have a mentor and join a great trading group, if you want to invest in yourself as far as being a trader and investor, you can, sorry about that, guys. Oops. You can go ahead over and use the Capitalist Academy link. You get your first month for free, guys, if you want a mentorship. I always provide that. I am in the group, so when you get in there, you can say, hey, Nora, what's going on? I got my watch list is on the left-hand side there, guys. The watch list is always over here on the left. And I brought up Tesla, of course, because everybody's watching Tesla. Tesla's sort of sitting on the fence right now. And personally, I wouldn't touch Tesla until I see what's going on. I can see it. I can honestly, I could see it taking a sharp fade one day suddenly, like kind of happened last year. And I can also see it shooting up to 1200. And since I just don't know which way it's going to go, I'm just going to leave that alone. Uh, and watch it. You don't always have to trade, right, guys? So we just want to sit and watch and see what's going on. Personally, I think Tesla is a long-term hold. It's more of a long-term hold than a trade. So if anything, I would just dollar cost average into it if you can't afford a whole share. Then what I would do is go ahead and just get pieces of it when it dips. And then just keep rolling. Good morning, everybody. Sorry, I didn't have my chat pulled up. Good morning, gathering within. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Rasta Stocks, popping the popcorn. Thank you, guys. Good morning, Nora. The gathering within. I've been enjoying your channel. Thank you. What's up, popping the popcorn? What's up, Rasta Stocks? 40 and broke. Hope you start. Yeah, me too. Me too. Me too. I wanna get back to work and school, but I don't know. I'm feeling a little run down today. Take a glass of water, media. Hey, what's going on? Good morning, stock and all. Thank you for joining me. They have a great scammer channel. They expose the scammers that call and try to scam you on the phone, and they turn the tables on them. It's pretty funny. You want to check him out. Take a glass of water, media. I've been trying to watch some of your content, my friend. Within, let's see. Okay, so of course, like I said, Tesla, I don't feel confident enough. We were speaking about this in my Academy group. It sort of could go either way, guys, right now. So, it's looking nice in the pre-market, guys, but it's so volatile, it could be doing something different an hour from now, right? So, there's some other opportunities out here that you could use if you want to try to scalp or take a little day trade or something like that. I just chose not to fool with Tesla at the moment until we see what we're doing. If Tesla ever drops under 1,000, closer, I would say closer to 900, I would load up. I would try to get a couple shares for the long term, for a long term play. Mortgage with me. Good morning. Hello. Robin the Lifestyle Amateur. Hey, Robin. I'm sorry, I didn't see you that you left a comment here, Robin. What's going on? Good morning. Oh, there you are. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing? We got Jake Hudson in the house. Jake was on a little earlier. Had to go say good morning to Jake. How you doing, Jake? What's going on? Jake's gonna have some nice interviews lined up. I'd like to get on his channel again, and I'm gonna get on Joe's channel, his friend Joe Pesci. I'm gonna get on his channel, and we're gonna talk about stocks with his crew. That should be fun. Hey, what's up, Paralife TV? Good morning, morning, morning. No worries. Thank you, guys. I'm trying to check the chat here on my phone. Check it out. Tellelly's here. What's up, Tell's Art and Game? Hey, how you doing, guys? How's everybody doing? So yeah, I think right now what's on sale is Ethereum. You see Ethereum up at the top right-hand corner. I feel pretty confident that Ethereum will probably close the year close to, this is my speculation, close to 5,000 a coin. So I think loading a little bit at, what is it, at 3,200? Pretty dang good deal. I think that might be a winner. I think Ethereum's going to outpace or outperform Bitcoin in 2022 because there's just so much use for it out there. So yeah, that is my advice. I have some already in my Weeble. Uh, I forget how much I have, maybe close to $1,000 worth. So, so yeah, I think that's a good deal. I like to buy things that I think are undervalued that might be moving up. You may want to take a look at some of your banking stocks. This is one that I have an interest in. Would be Citigroup, which is just the ticker symbol C. It moved up really nicely yesterday. It moved up nice. I could definitely see it starting to move towards that $70 price point. Just again, my personal opinion. But if you have a favorite banking stock, you may want to go ahead and get into it. My reason being is when they raise interest rates, which they plan to do at least 3 times this year, this is how news will impact the stock market. You're going to start seeing more interest in your bank stocks. Or your other stocks like PayPal, SoFi, okay, PaySafe, and things of that nature. Although I'm trying to really sort of take my focus away from some of those hypey type of stocks right now. I know SoFi has sort of gotten a big buzz lately, but just because Chamath is talking about it again doesn't mean I'm going to throw all my money into SoFi again. Because a lot of these stocks are being manipulated, guys, and if you let yourself get emotional and you get this FOMO, which I was talking to Leroy about yesterday, you get this FOMO, this fear of missing out, FOMO. You start, Chamath's talking about SoFi, oh my god, I gotta jump in SoFi. Not necessarily. You're going to jump in it because you're going to get the fear of missing out. You think you're going to miss out on the big SoFi rip. But SoFi is one of those stocks that big money likes to manipulate. So you have to kind of keep that in mind. If you got yourself all upset and emotional last year about stocks that you got that were highly volatile and manipulated, well, stop buying stocks that are volatile and highly manipulated. Balance yourself out with some stuff that they're not talking about or messing with, but are still going to probably go up. What are those type of stocks? Well, here's one for you. Altria. They're not messing with Altria. Altria holds rock steady, guys. Look at it. It's at 49.21 almost $50. It has a great dividend, and you're not going to have anybody messing with it. That's just something to think about. You want to get those stocks you like, but then you want to get stocks like Altria, or there are so many. Home Depot, Lowe's, Kroger. Ones that nobody's talking about, the ones they think are boring, those are the ones that are going to make you money over the long term. Because nobody's going to mess with it. Clover Health, Lordy, Lordy, who got into Clover Health last year? I that was some tax loss harvesting material for Nora the Stock Explorer. I got in Clover Health thinking that people were going to, after the AMC uh, craze, that people, that was the buzz. Oh, when AMC hits the moon, we're all going to go into Clover and BlackBerry, and what was the other one? Bed Bath and Beyond. It didn't play out like that, guys, and a lot of people got stuck holding Clover. Look at what Clover's at this morning. Holy smoke. If you don't want to get manipulated, don't buy these stocks, guys. And I know it sounds, I'm not preaching, but goodness gracious, don't buy this stuff. If you did it all last year and you got burnt, stop doing it. I'm definitely not touching anything like Clover this year. I'm being very, very, very particular about what I am putting my money in. Just because something got beat down into the dirt doesn't mean it's going to bounce this year. It might not bounce until next year, guys. And then you're stuck even deeper into something that you truly don't even really know about. A lot of people bought Clover and didn't know anything about their business model. And it's getting beaten up. Holy smoke, guys. It's just down to nothing now. It's $3 and some change. People were buying it up at what, like, I don't even want to know, $30, $40? So yeah, that's a great example, Leroy. That was a great example. So $28 cut losses at 7. Ouch. Yeah, man. Look, we all had that zinger that got us. We got caught up in the hype. We got caught up in the FOMO, and it zinged us. BlackBerry was another one. Actually, AMC zinged a lot of people, but it didn't get me. I actually made money on AMC because I just sort of latched onto the information very, very early. I got an AMC at like $10 and some change because I had been watching it, and I sort of was watching the whole trend, and the whole guerrilla gang movement started. Right as it was starting, I kind of noticed this. That's what you call a momentum play. When you notice something has momentum and you sort of get on it and move with it with the momentum of it. And I traded a lot of AMC last year, but I still have 25 shares in my Webull, and my cost basis, or my average price I paid per share, is 10.50. So I didn't get burnt with AMC. Luckily, I didn't get burnt with that. I actually made money on AMC. This year, I don't think AMC is going to be any better than any other stock out there, to be honest. I think AMC between $20 and $23 is a good deal. I would not buy AMC for more than $23, in my personal opinion, because that's definitely at the top of the list of stocks that are manipulated on a daily basis. Good morning, Four Corners Custom Products. Good morning, good morning. How are you doing? He's saying his hellos. I appreciate you guys keeping the chat rocking and rolling. Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate that. Guys, give me a second. Woo! Every time I start talking, I don't know. It's just I got some sort of, something's trying to get me, but I'm not going to let it get me. Wawa coffee makes everything better, guys. Wawa. Thank you to my homegirls at the Wawa. Much love. Focus on the positive, guys. There's a lot of haters out there right now. Even people that you look up to, sadly. Sort of heartbreaking, you know? People that you look up to of high esteem end up end up trying to hurt other people, masquerading like they're your friend. That's the worst kind of person out there. I I just I can't even. That's why I'm not going to immediately, you know, I don't know. I got to check you out for quite a while before I decide what I think, right? Don't go trusting people right out of the gate. Anyway, I'm going to go off on a tangent. But I let my haters be my motivators, guys. Let your haters be your motivators. Try to give. It's not letting me do it. I'd like to give a couple more of you guys a wrench on here. I would like to do that. How you doing, Back Alley? You out driving today or you off, Back Alley? Back Alley's a truck driver up in Canada. And he was driving through the snow. If you want to take a ride along in the snow with a Canadian truck driver, check out his channel. He did a ride along, a quite long one, and he chatted and lets you watch and see how the weather is up there. It's pretty cool. No time for negativity, that's right. Hey, what's going on? Think Dragon, welcome, welcome, welcome in. Thank you so much, Jason, man. You've been rock solid, awesome out here helping people, man. He ran my playlist. A lot of you are so helpful, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I really do. I really do. Thank you so much. When you leave those nice comments, when you run the playlist, you leave the thumbs up, all that good stuff. It helps. It helps tremendously. My analytics are up a little bit. Jason, I was looking at the analytics. So thank you for running that playlist. I appreciate that. Anybody that wants to be playlist buddies, hit me up. I'll run your playlist today. I'll run it in the background today, guys. Just let me know if you want to trade. So, welcome. Thank you so much, Think Dragon. I appreciate your time. You have a grow show. You got some things you're setting up. The green screen, awesome. I hope you get the microphone thing set up. I'm not really. I do okay, but I'm not really a like a tech gadget person per se. But I know Kevin from Tuber Chat. I don't know if you've reached out to him. I think you did, but check with Kevin. He is really good with the technology. He might be able to help you or give you a suggestion on what would be the best microphone setup for what you're trying to do. I see you want to be able to step away from the desk and be able to show the what you got up on the green screen. I love this idea. I had a feeling that's what you were going to do. So yeah, I can't wait to see you get that all okay, mortgage with me. I got you. Since you're the first one to mention, I will run yours today. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Weeble wants to show notifications. It's probably telling me the market's open. So ding, 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 the market's open, guys. The market is open. A couple stocks I was talking about. Holy smoke, what happened to GME? What happened here? I'm not touching this, guys. It might rip rocket to the moon today, but I'm not going to touch it. GME just went off the chart on me, guys. Look at that. Look at that. It went right off the chart. It's ripping up 20%. And as you can see, AMC is doing the same thing. It's ripping. You see it right here? They're both ripping at the same time. That's great if you're already in it, but be careful with that, guys. Be careful with that. If you jump in now, it could dump just as quickly as it rips, and then you get what they call caught holding the bag, and nobody wants to get stuck at the top. Hey, Garden State Gardener. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So thank you, Mortgage with Me. I will return the favor. I'll be running your playlist. Back Alley says you have such a great community, Nora. Thank you. Don't let the haters bother you. Oh, the haters aren't in my YouTube community. They're not in my YouTube community. You guys are amazing. Oh, I mean, I'm sure. I'm sure there's stuff going on, but just talking about in real life, guys. Don't be too quick to give people your trust and respect before they prove to you who they are. Back Alley says I recommend buying Bitcoin. Bitcoin too, of course. I would dollar cost average into it just little by little. Just little by little, guys. And I don't think you'll go too wrong. That way, when you break up your buy-in, so say you have $500 that you want to put in Bitcoin. Well, put maybe 100 in, see if it goes down. If it goes down, put another 100 or 150 in. If it goes up, wait a minute. When it comes back down, then put the other 100. You kind of break up the buy-ins so that when you average in all your buy-in prices, you can sometimes get a better price if you're patient. And here we go, and now it's coming back down. It looks like it got up to GME's up to around 150, got up to 153 or 154 was the high of the day. Oh, it got up to 158. And now see these red candles? It's bumping down. See how quickly that happened? That's why you don't want to FOMO into stuff. Especially at the market open. When that bell rings, hey, alright, tell Ollie, catch you later. When that bell rings, you're going to see a lot of volatility because there's a lot of pending orders. There's orders that are pending. Okay, as the market opens, you're going to have some trades that need to get resolved that are kind of in the queue, so to speak. And there's also manipulation with that as well as how quickly orders fill and things of that nature and who fills the order, okay? Depending on your broker. There's a lot of stuff going on in the back of the house. And when the market opens at 9:30, sometimes you just want to sit and watch where things settle out. Usually around 10 or 10:30 you can kind of see what's sort of better idea of what is going on. You don't want to be buying those shares right at 9:30 because you may not truly be seeing where the stock price is. Hey, Willie Rosato, thank you. I went and subscribed to you, Willie. I was already subscribed to you. I was checking out a couple videos on your channel. Thank you for sticking in here, Robin, the lifestyle amateur, new friend to the channel. Thank you so much. I appreciate you for watching. So yeah, guys, hopefully you guys understand what I'm talking about. There's over 500 different stocks you can choose from, but I try to put ones that are either worth watching, where if they're ripping at the moment, like GME and AMC, I'll put those up, but I'm not touching them because as you can see, these red candles, it might be ready to come down really quickly just as fast as it went up. So, but I'm putting it up here so you can kind of see that price action. You see the volume, you see how fast this is moving right now. You want to be careful with stuff like that. For sure. So yeah, my theme for today is I just wanted to say be careful with the hype stocks, guys. Just because something rips up 5 or 6% one morning doesn't mean the next day it's not going to go back down 5 or 6%. And a lot of these stocks are doing just that. You had Clean Spark, it ripped a couple days ago, and then the next day it tanked again. So don't get stuck. Don't get stuck, especially if it's not something that you wanted to hold on to for the long term. And also, Doge, you know I love Dogecoin, guys. I love Dogecoin because I think Elon has a good vision for it. But what you have to realize when you buy Dogecoin, is that you have to be patient. It will have utility. I believe in Dogecoin. But you have to be patient. It's not going to get to $1 tomorrow, okay? It's not going to get to $1 tomorrow. You have to, but if you like to build a position in Doge, uh, at 1.1522, holy smoke, that's a great price. If you don't have any at all, now would be a fantastic time to get yourself a little bit of Doge. I don't see Doge going below 15 cents. I really don't. I think that's a super, super strong support on Doge. I really do. My personal opinion too, guys. Don't copy what I do, but I will tell you what I think. How you think, Dragon? You still here? I hope you're doing well. I hope you get the microphone thing sorted out. Hopefully, you guys can understand me. I know, I sound all congested up, so sorry about that. So I'll tell you about one stock that I bought. I bought 20 shares of a firm, and my average is pretty high. Big money was hitting a firm like 2 weeks ago, and I got 20 shares of it to roll into a nice trade, and I got stuck with it because it's been dropping dramatically. But if you're not in a firm yet, if you don't have a firm, I don't see a firm going too much lower than this, guys. I think we're going to catch a really, really nice bounce. That's why I put a firm on the watch list. Sunday I'll try to do a watch list for you guys. And what they do is they do payments for people that buy stuff on like Amazon. You can break up your payments and finance stuff that you buy on Amazon. So I like the business model. I like the idea of what they do. They are linked with Amazon, so that's definitely a recipe for success. I just wish I had waited. But yeah, if you're not in it, oh wow, now it's 79 and change. Guys, whoo, that's a nice little trade there. That's a nice little trade on a firm. If you haven't heard about it though, definitely do your own due diligence, which means do your research. Oh, and guys, I tested out the Crocs. These are the bomb. These are the bomb.com. I love them. The minute I put these on, you could feel the little, there's like these little nubs here, the braille in here. You can feel those, and then like you feel a lot of support in the heel and in the toe, but where you don't feel a lot of support is like the arch part. But the longer you wear these, these started to feel comfortable literally within like 15 minutes, okay? Because the type of foam that it's made out of, it just starts to respond to the shape of your foot. Anyway, I'm not sponsored by Crocs. I just think they're fun. And I wanted to get my first pair and try them out. And I have to say, I like them. I had them on going to get my coffee this morning. And then I had them on to walk the dog. And they're really comfy, guys. They're really comfy. And I think the stock is a great stock, too. Think Dragon says, you never leave streams without saying goodbye to the host. Okay, yeah, that would be nice. That would be nice, Think Dragon. No arch. I didn't feel any immediately. There is, I mean, there is a bit of a curve there, as you can see. You can see there's a little bit of a curve, but it's just not the amount that I need personally. Everybody has different needs. But check this out, guys. You could put this in off-road mode, 4-wheel drive, bam, and then back again. This is a heel support, guys. It's not a decoration. So, anywho, yeah, these I like these, man. I'll be buying another pair before you know it. I really like that. And it's doing good as far as a stock pick, guys. Guys, if you want to join a great trading group that I'm a part of, hit me up on Instagram, Philly Orlando, or hit me up on Twitter, Philly_Orlando. I need more people on my Twitter. Please follow me on Twitter, Philly_Orlando. I'll send you a link to a free trading Discord ran by my mentor. and he is doing fantastic. There's a lot of freebies in there. If you'd actually like to be a part of the membership, my link is always above in the banner where you see Elon Musk and the Cybertruck. You'll see a link to the Academy. It's free to join for your first month. And then next to it, you'll see a little green feather. That is the link for Robinhood. You get 2 free stocks for signing up with my link. Click on that little green leaf. A lot of you guys already have Robinhood. You know what that is. Click on that. It'll take you to Robinhood. You can get Robinhood and then you can get started. If you're brand new and you want an easy to use broker that's user friendly, doesn't matter who you talk to, everybody will tell you that Robinhood is user friendly because it is user friendly. Okay, it is user friendly. Regardless of the drama that's going on with Robinhood, it's a great way to learn and it's the easiest way to play options. And they'll probably be one of the first ones to allow you to play options. All you have to do is request to play options. Thanks for hanging in, Paralife TV. I bought a few Croc shares. You did? I'm behind in the stream, but I had to leave. Yeah, no worries, no worries. Yeah, Crocs is up 1.39% today. It's 130 a share. I bought it at 124 even. So I'm holding it. I don't care because I'm looking at holding this to the end of the year so I can do updates with you guys. But instead of chasing AMC and GME, you just want to get yourself rocking with the Crocs. Get some Croc stock. And then at the end of the year, you can go buy some Crocs with it. Brainstorm. Did Brainstorm pop in? Yeah, Brainstorm challenges! Howdy, folks. Brainstorm, you got to stick with me, brother. Hang in here with me. Okay? Hang in here with me. Garden State says you could put your Twitter link in your about page. Yeah, I think it is in my about page. I should have just said that. That would be a lot easier. And then a lot of times in the description of the video, I'll put my Twitter link on there for you guys. My neighbor's praying for me. Pray for her. Her daughter just got tested positive. She hung out with a couple friends for a day and then I guess they were asymptomatic and then her daughter caught COVID. Oh my gosh. So I'm praying hopefully she recovers quickly from that. Yeah, they're zero commission back alley. They're both zero commission brokers. That's the best part about it. Good morning, Coupon Gail. Hey, what's going on, Gail? Hello, Yang Abigail. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome into the stream. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yep. Oh, thank you, Garden State Gardener. And I will tune in on Sunday. I'm gonna set the notification. Look at that, BlackBerry's up 4.4%, guys. Don't get caught in the bull trap. Don't get caught in the bull trap. Okay? If you don't know what that is, go ahead, look it up. It's when the stock goes up, okay? Goes down a little bit, and it looks like it's going to continue, but it doesn't, and it dumps, and you get caught in the trap there. This is kind of what it looks like. See this little dip here? Don't be surprised if this goes way back down. Okay, guys, be careful out there. Be careful. Get yourself some rock solid stocks that aren't going to be moving like this every single day. Altria, Coca-Cola, what is it? Go ahead and get yourself some Procter & Gamble, some Home Depot, some Lowe's. Let's look and see what they're doing. Let's see what the HD is doing. It's not Harley Davidson, it's Home Depot, ticker symbol HD. Ouch, I let down a little bit today, but still looking great. Still at $400 a share. That'd be a nice little entry for a swing trade. See how it bounced right here and it's coming up. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's probably gonna pop back up. See it trying to. That's a bounce. See it went down, now it bounced right here. So yeah, that might be a nice little one for you. Home Depot, Lowe's still doing good too. Boeing. I grabbed some Boeing, and that's looking really good. Your defensive stocks, Boeing, Lockheed Martin, things like that. And check out the stock called Siemens. Siemens. Check that out. You can't trade it on Webull, but you can pull it up. It will pull up. It will pull up the chart. You can trade it on Robinhood. Siemens SIEGY. Siemens on the year did really good last year. Did really good. So you may see that up and away. You may want to check out some Siemens. You might want some of these stocks that nobody's talking about, but are still doing fantastic, and there's many of them out there. You have some Boeing? Awesome. Robin, what do you mind? What broker do you have? I'm curious. Which one you have. Some people have Charles Schwab or they have Fidelity. Those are both good as well. Good morning, Charlene. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Coupon Gale put a video out today with several companies you can get coupons. Oh, sweet. I'm going to have to check that out. You can save over $1,000 per year. It's like hitting the lottery. She makes it easy. Okay, I will check that out, Gail. Thank you. Thanks for the tip. That's a goodie. Heck yeah, that's what I'm talking about with this recession. Freedom, what are you doing? With this recession, we have to, not recession, what am I talking about? With this inflation, my bad, I'm sorry. With the inflation, you have to try to hedge against it by doing things like budgeting, couponing, or picking good stocks to trade. Will put more money in your pocket so that you can, keep in the green, guys. We don't want this inflation to get the best of us. They were down when I bought it too. Yeah. Yeah, I was glad I scooped up a couple Boeing shares. That was a goodie. That was a call out from my academy, from Capitalist Academy. Got to give Peter DiCarlo a big shout out. Boeing's up 1%. Today, Boeing's up to 213.52 right now. I bought 5 shares at 203.98 on the 30th of December last year. I'm just I may hold that longer term. I don't know. I think I may. I think I might hold on to Boeing. There's a lot of war tension out there, guys, and Boeing makes a lot of the airplane for the military and stuff like that. So you may want to. Unfortunately, there's stocks that do well during wartime, and these defensive stocks tend to do well in times of war. I don't know. There's a lot of tensions over there near Russia, guys. There's some stuff going on. So yeah, kind of stay ahead of that trend. Robinhood's up 4.24% today. Robinhood Markets, HOOD, if you don't have some of that. That's a Kathy Wood favorite. You may want to grab yourself some of that. Palantir's at 1717. Great stock. Palantir. Let's get rid of GME. I'm not trading that. Would not touch that. But I wanted to have a look at it. Palantir, PLTR. Palantalian, I'm missing some of my live stream over with the Academy. So I'm going to be hopping over there. If you guys like to join. It's $900 a year, and you get a lot of expert advice and a lot of free trading bots and all the secret squirrel black box info that traders use. You get that with the Academy. If you'd like to use my link, I appreciate that'd be a way for you to help support the channel. You can also pay it month by month. You don't have to pay it all at once. And your first month is free. I'm sorry, guys. I got the sniffles today. So, yeah. Uh, Praying for everybody out there that's at risk or, battling this crummy cron stuff going around, guys. Be safe. Take good care of your body if you can. Apple's looking good. Wow, Apple's looking better than good. Apple's looking great. Apple's up almost 1%, sitting at 173. Apple should be on everybody's watch list. And in my opinion, at least part of one portfolio that you own, you should have some Apple. You can't go too far with that. That's the yearly chart. You see, it's a rocket ship to the moon right there. But on the minute chart, you see, there we go. That's the minute chart, minute by minute. She's up almost 1%. Hopefully she holds the support here. Hopefully she holds the support. If you follow Tesla, check out my friend Peter DeCarlo's channel. He does a daily video on Tesla and did a fantastic description of what support and resistances are. So check out his channel, Peter DeCarlo. He is a great guy, and he doesn't sugarcoat it. He's going to tell you like it is. If something's looking bad, even though people are hyping it, he's going to tell you be careful. It's looking suspicious. He's not just out here to hype stocks. He's teaching people to do risk management, which is key. You can be wrong a whole lot if you just use risk management, guys. If you just use your risk management, definitely get back to the basics of trading and use that risk management. It's good stuff. You can't go too wrong. If you Leroy messaged me, said rock out with your Crocs out. Boom. And my friend that was in the hospital, he's home now recovering. Blessings to you, my good work friend. Love my work friends. So blessings to you that you were home and recovering. He must be feeling better. So that is fantastic. That is good news. I'm going to hop off, guys. I appreciate you joining me on the chat. Thank you so much. Hope you have a good day. And I will see you soon. Don't forget to smash the like button if you haven't already. It helps out tremendously. And if I missed any of you guys, just let me know in the comments. I'll give